welcome back to Budget Bites. I'm Taylor and this is Belle, and today we're going to be making a Pillsbury Egg Bake. So you're going to start by flattening out all your dough in your pan, and then you're also going to poke some holes in it with a fork. And then we're going to throw that in the oven at 375 for about 7 to 9 minutes. So next you're going to put your 6 eggs into a bowl and we're going to whisk them. So once your dough comes out of the oven, you're going to pour on your 6 eggs. Perfect. And once you have your eggs in, you're going to add in your peppers and your ham and your cheese. So then you're going to put it back in the oven and you're going to bake it at 375 for 17 to 22 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, it should look like this, and it's ready to eat. Thanks for joining us for Budget Bites and helping us make a Pillsbury Egg Bake. Next month, you can tune in and join us, and we're going to be making cherry cheesecakes. Bye!